Hello Virgo, this is your June prediction. If you have Virgo in your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus in Virgo, you can watch this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay. Now, and one thing Virgo, this is a general reading. Take what resonate and leave the rest for others. Okay, let's start suffering. Thank you. One more time. So, the overall energy for Virgo is High Priestess. High Priestess here depicts that you are thinking something or hiding something, or you are very secretive in your life, like you are not sharing anything with anyone. This is a major arcana card. Okay, High Priestess. Okay, now first card is Page of Swords, 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Strength, and 7 of Pentacles. So Virgo, here your overall energy is High Priestess, like you are secretively watching something or someone, that you are not reacting on that, or not just just not taking any actions and not taking interest, but yes, you are still thinking and spying something. You are spying on someone, or someone is spying on you, like your social media, okay, your status, story, something like that. Page of Swords is all about spying or examining something. Okay, so you are spying someone or something, or they are spying. Okay, now we have here exact below this Page of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles came out. So I am taking this as a clarifier for Page of Swords, like they are just spying on you and watching you from far. They want to come towards you, but Knight of Pentacles is a very slow moving energy. Okay, so that's why you are here. We have two waiting cards, exact the same below. Okay, exact like 2 of Wands came out, and as a clarifier we have received this 7 of Pentacles. Okay, this man is thinking what to do and just making his strength to come towards you. Okay, they are preparing themselves for you, like they have done something wrong with you, or will come with some apologies, like that. So they are making their own strength to come towards you, and still thinking and waiting. Okay, that's why they are very slow, because they are still thinking about you. They are still thinking about you to coming towards you. Okay, because they are watching you, very very mysterious woman like this. You are not reacting on anything, or you are not watching their stories or status, so they are worried about that, I think. Underneath we have Ace of Cups, like as you see, they want to offer you something, love. This is also called a cup of love. They wanted to offer you something, and exactly underneath we have 9 of Cups. Like these all cards are very positive. I am doing your love reading, right, Virgo? And they wanted to come to you, but they are thinking something, they are bothering themselves, because they have done something wrong with you. That's why they are afraid, like they are how to reach to you, how to approach to you. Okay, how to approach or how to reach to you. As a the bottom of the deck is all about your overall energy. Okay, so I am receiving this, and I am very, like, these are very positive cards, like really. Yeah, this Wheel of Fortune, look at that. 4 of Wands, this is a marriage card, this is a wish fulfillment card. Okay, and Ace of Cups also. These 4 cards, this wheel is this positive cards, like 4 of Wands, Nine of Wands. As per my experience, this 4 cards is very precious to me, and this came together as a bottom of the deck card, as the bottom of the deck. Okay, this Ace of Swords. Like really, some new beginnings is around you, Virgo, because we have 2 aces, right? Look at that. We have 2 aces. This 4 card, I will take this all. Okay, I will take this all. And here they are making their, just preparing themselves and making their, strength to come towards you. And still he is thinking and spying on you to approach you, but he is very slow. Okay, very slow. As per these cards, I'm just picking up on energy here that they want marriage with you. 10. Okay, 10 of Pentacles. This is a marriage card, this commitment card, engagement card, or this is also a card of your happy family, blissful family. 10 of Pentacles is all about completion. Okay, they want everything with you, and they are still, they are still preparing themselves for you. They see you as a wish fulfillment. 9 of Cups. They see you as a wish fulfillment and wanted to approach you, but still they are thinking something. I don't know what is happening or what happens in your past, but yes, you are their wish fulfillment. Okay. 4 of Wands, 11 cards. Maybe you are in your twin flame journey. That's why the runner and a chaser games is on. Twin flames are the runner and a chaser. This is 11 card. Marriage card, higher level of commitment card. If you are waiting for your existing person, then it's surely, I'm damn sure that it will lead to a marriage, or end with marriage. Or if you are waiting for some new one, then he is your twin flames, or she is your twin flames, or soulmate. They want to start something new with you. We have 2 aces, the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Swords. They wants to start some new with you, new beginnings with you. Okay, they want marriage, their family. And this is first of all, I want to tell you that this is destined relationship. For whom you are watching this video, they are destined to you. They are destined relationship. He has some purpose to come into your life. Yeah, that's why he came. The wheel is all about destiny, fate. So it will definitely comes into your favor positively. Yeah. So that's all for Virgo today. I'm very happy for Virgo who is coming towards you. Their intentions are very, who is coming towards you. Their intentions are very positive towards you, and they see you as an opportunity, as a wish fulfillment. So, and very secretive also, Virgo. Why are you so secretive? Mysterious woman like High Priestess. So let's pull one card for as an outcome. Okay, let's pull one card for Virgo as an outcome. One card for Virgo. I have just seen 9 of Swords. One card for Virgo as an outcome of this relationship. One card as an outcome for Virgo. Temperance, presence, balance. The angels are telling you that you have to keep patient. Just keep patience. As an outcome, as a guidance, you will take this temperance. Just balance yourself And if you want to wait for him, just wait for him. If you don't want, there is no force. Okay, so temperance is all about patience, balance, your mind, your 3D life. Okay, so as an outcome, this card came out, temperance. Underneath we have moon and high priestess. Look, very secretive. Moon is all about emotions, and yeah, definitely they have emotions, they have feelings for you, but they are not showing to you. They are hiding something which is, which you will get clarity. Ace of Swords is all about clarity. You will definitely receive some clarity from him. Okay, some secretive, some secrets about something. The moon and the Ace of Swords comes together, so definitely you will get some clarity about your relationship or something. I don't know, just these two cards, the moon and the high priestess. Very secretive, very mysterious. Something is going to reveal to you. Just keep patient, okay? So Virgo, this is your reading. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share and like. So Virgo, this is your reading. If you like my videos, please like and share.